Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to update your YouTube app on your mobile phone step by step. Keeping your YouTube app updated ensures better performance, access to new features, improved security, and fewer app errors. If your YouTube app is not working properly, missing new features, crashing, or asking you to update, this guide will help you to fix the problem quickly. This tutorial works for both Android and iPhone users. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, they have to go over to your App Store. So in this tutorial I'm using an Android device, so let me tap on my Play Store. You can tap on your App Store if you're using an iPhone. So once your Play Store, your App Store opens up, the next step you have to take now is to search for YouTube. So let me tap on the search bar at the bottom, on the search icon at the bottom. Then let me tap on the search bar at the top. So what I can do now is to go ahead now to type in YouTube. So let me type in YouTube, YOUTUBE. Then let me tap on search. You can see right there, that's the YouTube app. So let me tap on it so you can see it clearly. Right here guys, can see this is the YouTube app, and as you can see right here, it is out of date and it needs updating. That's why you can see the update button right there on the left hand side. So what I'll do now is to go ahead and to tap on update. So let me tap on update. You can see guys, it has started updating. It's at 30%. So what we have to do is to wait till it gets to 100%. So once it's fully updated, then we can go ahead now to have all the new features, then all the issues that we're having, just like crashing or lagging of your YouTube app, it will all stop, it will all come to an end. So let's just wait till it gets to 100%. It's at 79 now. It's at 87. My internet connection isn't that strong. 95%, then 100%. Well guys, can see it has gotten the 100% and it's now installing the updated version, the latest version of YouTube. So guys, now let's wait a few seconds. It's going to get that done now. Wow guys, you can see now we've been able now to update the YouTube app on our mobile device. You can no longer find the update button right there. So what I can do now is to go ahead now to open it. You can see guys, the updated YouTube app is opening. So guys, now this is the updated version of YouTube, so I can go ahead now to enjoy all the new features, and every other issues that I have will be no longer there again. So guys, this is how you can be able to update your YouTube app on your mobile device, and I believe this was helpful to you. Please do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.